Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how simple it is to install and configure the Jira app in BoldDesk. You'll also learn how to link and unlink Jira issues with BoldDesk tickets. Let's look at the My Apps page in the Admin Center, which displays both installed third-party apps and custom apps. Here you can manage your apps by modifying, activating, uninstalling, and deactivating them. Now, let's see how to install and configure the Jira app in BoldDesk. First, click Marketplace, which will navigate you to the Marketplace page where you can find the Jira app and the supported third-party apps listed. Then, select Jira Software and click Install. A pop-up screen for Jira software integration will open. Provide the Jira base URL, the username of the Jira account that has admin access, and the API key in the appropriate fields and click Next after verifying your Jira account. Select the Jira actions to be executed when a BoldDesk event occurs or vice versa. Selecting actions like status, priority, and comments allows you to control the syncing of data between Jira and BoldDesk. Then, select the necessary Jira projects to be linked and Jira fields to be displayed in BoldDesk tickets and map their status and priority. You can also set the app visibility either to all or to specific roles. Then, click Save to save the configurations. You will find the installed Jira software here. Next, let's look at how to link a Jira issue with a BoldDesk ticket. Linking the tickets with existing issues allows you to access issue details within BoldDesk. It also helps the support team stay up to date with the progress of issues customers report. To link a Jira issue with a BoldDesk ticket, navigate to the corresponding ticket page and click Apps in the left sidebar. Open the Jira software app. Then, click Link Issue, type the Jira issue key, and click Search or press Enter. The matched issue will be displayed. Now, select the issue to link with the ticket. The linked issue will be displayed like this. After linking the Jira issue, you can see more details by clicking the issue card without leaving the help desk. Also, agents can move to the Jira issue by clicking the issue key. To unlink a Jira issue from a BoldDesk ticket, click the Unlink option in the issue. A pop-up will open to get confirmation for the unlinking. Click Unlink, and the connection will be removed between the Jira issue and ticket. In this video, I explained how to install and configure the Jira app with BoldDesk. I also explained how a Jira issue can be linked with or unlinked from BoldDesk tickets. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.